It began over 30 years ago with two entrepreneurs and one simple idea: to assist people with the use and repair of a powerful new technology. Along the way, we empowered local manufacturers to create, build, and automate better. They joined with other entrepreneurs who brought expertise of their own, and together pioneered in a field before there truly was one. Today, AAG is a global technological leader, a manufacturer, a retailer, and a service provider in the CNC router and water jet world. We don't simply provide solutions for these industries, we provide solutions for life. We don't just help build buildings, we help create dynasties. We don't just outline and cut all your favorite shapes. We help make sure the next generation can sleep just as soundly in the back seat as we did. Our technology doesn't just harness the power of industrial machines and the precision of a surgeon's hands. We help make medical miracles a reality. The details are more numerous and complex than ever. But the stratosphere has never been more exciting to explore. AAG, over 30 years of innovation in the CNC router and water jet industries.